have introduced some new procedures to keep everyone safe. Please, we ask if you can wipe down the equipment before and after you use it, and you'll find several different cleaning stations around the facility. You'll find that some of the equipment may be out of action, and that's to allow us to maintain social distancing. All of our resistance machines now have a very easy to use digital screen. When you approach the machine, it will look like this, telling you what machine it is. It will wake up automatically as soon as you start doing a rep. So it's telling me here, you can see the set, the reps I've done, the weight I'm on and the calories. The two sliders at the top, they show you your range of motion. The guide bar, very top in the middle, that's where you're aiming to pull to with your range of motion. So the machine is actually coaching you to make sure you're doing the right technique and speed. It will give you an automatic 30 seconds rest in between each set. That's something that you can adjust. Plus and minuses. You can continue whenever you're ready. Here comes my set 2, 1 rep, 2 reps. When you're finished with the machine, you press the red button. The first press will take it to the rest, second press will give you the summary screen, and that means you've finished your workout. It tells you what you've done in the kilos, and it's a really handy little way of keeping track of your workouts and how you're progressing with your strength. As you walk away, the machine will reset itself automatically. All of our resistance machines are in kilograms. To adjust your weight, the removal and insertion of this silver pin. What's new is a silver lever at the top. That adds 2.5 kilos to the weight that you're already on. So it's for when you need just a little extra weight. By pushing it in, you're turning that on, or turn it off by pulling out. So, 25. It's a little bit light for me, but I don't think I can do the next jump, which is 30. So instead, I push the lever in. To move, I think it's broken. The seat will go down when you're sat on it. Lift the silver lever. And there you go. To rise, take your weight off, and it slides back up again. If you're not sat on the seat, it will go up, but it won't come down. For that, you need your bottom on there. And with all of the machines, the ideal spot for your feet is in front with flat feet, heels down, knees at about a 90-degree angle, and your back flat against the back. If it has a headrest, use it because it's keeping your neck in alignment with your spine. Once you've adjusted your seat, and you've got your correct weight, put the seat belt on. That will keep you down in the seat because you're going to be pulling the weight from above. Hand grips can be here, or you have 2 handles up here, which changes the focus further down into the lats and deeper down into the back. Try not to let the stack smash down on the weights. Carefully, with control, let the machine rise up to the top position when you've finished. I've come to use the pec deck. I've adjusted the weights. I've adjusted my seat. This machine has a range of movement adjuster as well, and that is above you, so look up. I can't reach and get my hands around onto the pads from here, so by pulling the levers down, you can bring them forward. You want both of the numbers to say the same thing, so you are even across both arms. Then take a hold of the handles, put your head back on the headrest, and it's a squeeze and release. Keeping your feet flat down on the floor, pushing down through, and you're keeping your abs tight. This abdominal machine has got one adjusting lever, and it's to your right here. That moves this arm towards you. So pull the arm up, and then it comes up to your chest. Now, holding the handles here, no lever, just a pneumatic adjuster. You want it just below your shoulders, and then you're ready to go. Remember, if it's a silver lever, it means it can be adjusted in some way. That's the seat pad adjuster. Well, behind this pad, you can adjust the incline of the back of the seat, and there's also an extra lever to swing the seat pad away. Now, you shouldn't need to use this unless you are a wheelchair user. It enables you to get closer and for you to use the machine. Otherwise, you don't need these levers. They're behind the seats and they are just for the wheelchair users' access. Due to COVID restrictions and the proximity of these two machines, only one person can use them at the same time. The same rule applies to the abductor and adductor machines. Here, only one person can be using them both. Despite being two handles, I'm afraid the same rule applies to the multi-use pulley. Only one person can be using this station at a time. The tape on this handle is because you are encouraged to use the other side due to the proximity to the adductors. An exciting new addition to the cardiovascular equipment. This is for your upper body, and it's a fluid resistance trainer. It uses water to give you resistance for an upper body workout. Distinct areas in the resistance area: the preacher curl station, the multifunction rig, barbells, dumbbells, and a Smith machine. Each of these areas are limited to one person and a 15-minute limit maximum. Thank you for watching. If you're unsure of anything, please come and find a gym instructor or a duty manager. We'll be really happy to help, and we're very excited to have you back and show you this brand new facility.